So I am showing houses this afternoon, and you're welcome to come along with me. So I am a little early. It's okay. We're here at this cutie that's kind of behind Home Depot off of 280 in Hoover. I'm gonna open the door now. So this is house number 1. Okay, so foyer, kind of saw that. Living room, really cute. Love the high ceilings. Fan could be updated though, but that's okay. It's really cute. All right, got a closet here probably. Oh, it's kind of deep. Okay. I go this way. Half bath. I will turn the light. Ooh. Go ahead and hit the lights for clients. It's probably gonna be laundry. It is. So it means this house is vacant. All right. Here's your kitchen. Not huge, but that's okay. Garage. That probably goes outside. Kind of a small garage. So this would be hard to fit 2 cars, especially with this in the middle, but neither here nor there. They obviously recently replaced that. All right, let's keep going. Oh, this is cute, the little dining room. So I'm getting the feel, this may be a live. All right, so nice screened-in back porch. You have tile out here, so it's not just concrete. Fan covered, and a decent sized yard. Like if somebody wanted to, they could put a small little pool out there. Because this is probably connected to sewer, so probably don't have to worry about septic. I said probably because I don't know for sure. Let's continue on. Let's go find the primary. Also like a solid surface flooring throughout. Ooh, maybe too small for my clients. I wanted a larger primary. All right. So dated tub. I'm one of those people, I don't really care for a big bathtub, so I like to rip them out and put my shower here and then turn that into like a linen closet or something like that. But anyway, here's the bathroom. Closet's a decent size. Like a really decent size. Having a custom closet in here would be really cool. All right. My clients still aren't here yet, so let's make our way upstairs real fast. And I always kind of like having a little bit of openness. I don't care for it to be open though if it is a true loft space, because when you have kids hanging out, you can literally hear everything. So it's super annoying. You'd want it closed off. But having it open like this and just a small little landing space is totally fine, and it makes the space in the house feel bigger. So we got 1 bedroom over here. Okay, so I guess that light is on a remote. There it is. Let's see. Let's turn it on. Haha, let there be light. All right. So this will go into attic space, but it's really cool to have additional like linen or something like that for a kid. All right. Going across. So far we've seen 2 bedrooms, 1 downstairs, 1 up here. We have a full bathroom right here with dual vanity. So that's always cool with kids. There we go. Interesting color light fixtures. Or not light fixtures, sorry. I'm not mad at it. Huh. Oh, that's true gold. Is that my face? Oh man. Oh, my concealer. I'm gonna have to get some more cum. All right. So we've got over here. So this, they made a closet, but it also seems to share a closet. That's a little funky. So they did this to be able to count this one as a bedroom and this one as a bedroom. Normally you'd call this bonus space. So that's interesting because there's no room for like a closet in here. This is a pretty small bedroom. All right, so then you got linen closet right here. So this is the house. So now I'm gonna go downstairs and wait on my clients, and then I'm gonna show it to them. Oh, and then I'll come back for the next house. We are at house number 2 that you cannot see past these trees. So I'm gonna go this way.
Let me tell you something.
I ain't going all the way down the street.
I do like the Stacy one.
Those cameras are fine. Small closets. I don't know why. Right.
What?
But you don't need to eat it all in one day.
Like our board, they're only in our room or on the charging location downstairs. They have controllers at the beach.
House number 3 has an open house. So I won't video much here.
So I was able to get a quick clip inside. Done.